Good morning, boys.
I think I go like this.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, you got to make sound effects when you do it too. Yeah. And you make sure you hit towards your shin, right?
Right. No, dude, I mean, that's like the whole, you gotta get comfy with it. Definitely need to pay attention when we get up high. Yeah.
What do you mean, we're not up high yet? Are you going down, Matt?
Slightly, yeah.
Or peek across the way.
Put it on a locking carabiner and you guys will tie in that way. Check out that view.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, yeah. This is not one of the sickest things you could ever do.
Give me some slow play.
Breathing got a little hard, Doug.
Well, yeah, you fucking think?
Should have seen it on the way up this.
Yeah, dude, that was. I honestly want to look down this real quick. Go ahead and give me some.
Could you just back me up on rope?
Yep.
Matt?
Gotcha.
Hold on.
I want to see how bad it is going over this.
Okay.
It should be actually pretty nice.
Tell me.
Nice proper rappel, dude.
Oh yeah. Slow. Slow belay. Slow belay.